You know, say me today a Friday and thing. But me for come on and show me that my business a deal it. I say yo me a hold on a little bit. You see life have a way we humble with more time. If we don't want to humble ourselves, life just humble we. And it will put you back in a place where we never want to go. Because anywhere we come from, we can't go back there. If we don't go back by will, we go back by force. So we have to be careful of what we are doing. The video when I see this morning, I make the rounds with Gully Bap. A lot of people don't surprise because it was destined to happen. Where people seek help, get help, then abuse the help what them get. And let me first say that sickness is for everyone. Death is for everyone. Seeing anybody can sick. The richest man can sick. Nobody no better than sickness. And like when I see the video this morning with Auntie Dana, I feel away. Because it's like we did see it come, you know. We did see it come. And we have said, John was star, what this? Me I look on it and me I say, Gully Bap this, you know. From the gully to the money, you know, back to the gully, you know. But out of the whole video, one thing stand out to me in that video there. One thing. When Dana asked him about him picking them. He says, I want to picking them. Want to youth them. Gully Bap said him picking them worse than the people them. Seeing? I don't know how much picking him get. Or nothing. But to how Gully Bap does say, the killer feel that they say something there. Man, they must take out life insurance and stop play a fool of themselves. Well, I'll get to the life insurance something because it's a good thing. It's a very good thing. But before we get to the life insurance, Gully Bap say him picking them worse than the people them. Remember say we watch this man from 2014, you know. In our gully. And him a fix a fan. Everybody know the history. So we don't have to go back down in night and wait. And everybody know the history with that Gully Bap something here. Me here until I reach out and I ball out and I say Shana Chin must come in and come give her assistant. And Amari must come in and give an assistant. Well, I was reminded about a video that when Amari did, I said, Gully Bap, I need you, Bap. Come to me, Bap. I need you. And Amari a ball and nose not to come down her nose and Bugwa run out and one bag of lily water and everything. And Gully Bap come on the internet and say, what me I do with Amari? You know, say a mad woman that. And him talk a bag of things. And for hear Auntie Dana say, them for link up Amari. Remember we put out on the internet, I go stay up on the internet, you know. Nah, go come off, you know. Because I know all the internet so good and quick to find back things. So we have to be careful of how we treat people because we might need the same people them where we treat fuck up. We have to be careful of how we deal with people. And as the Freddy said, ungratefulness will always cause disaster. The Bible is a thing where always reveal the truth. The Bible, you know, is a thing where always it come like it name taught the truth. Remember them tell you again, say a fool and his money shall depart. Remember them tell you the whole of them something there and we come see it. Seeing? Gully Bap claim to fame. 2014, 2015, 2016. Gully Bap never got foreign yet. Gully Bap end up reach a small island. Gully Bap end up got England, go to about 8 show England, everything sold out. Gully Bap reach a Europe, every show sold out. Gully Bap reach a Canada, Canada sold out. See, Gully Bap get a 2-year American work permit. 2 years. We watch the video them when Gully Bap there and cuss off people, crashing on people car and go on. And let's not bash Shana Chin. Shana Chin have bar ways them, but we not gonna just beat her and talk about that she don't have Gully Bap money. That's not a fucking true. True de. That's not true. Gully Bap is a man where you start give a whole heap of people and go on with a whole heap of things. See? And him cuss out a whole heap of people. See? Remember, we see the whole of them something a go on. Gully Bap treat a lot of people fuck up. Up to in a recent time, like last week, we see a video come out the Gully Bap a cuss off security. See? Gully Bap bust when him a 50-year-old. Because I don't want to feel like Gully Bap is a young man. Gully Bap could have been my father. But this, everybody with up on this social media, yeah, look upon this situation, yeah, and let it be a learning lesson. Gary. Yeah, man, me there. Yeah. Let it be a lesson to everybody who love hype and not love humble and go on like sound better than people. Not because a man a sweep the street and you drive past him and splash him up. That don't mean say you're better than him. Because remember, if him don't sweep the street I go dirty and I go cuss the street dirty, and if them can't see the street. The man who work at the tire shop, not because you're in your white and this man in him greasy dirty clothes, you don't want him come near you. See, we have to be careful of how we put out things in the universe. We have to be careful. And remember it always, the tell we say again, he that exalted himself shall be abased. See, we have to know what we are doing. We have to be careful. Nobody no more than nobody. This is a learning lesson to post for every man and every woman, because this video is a video where a viral it go. It can't go nothing more than viral. It can't go nothing more than viral. Everybody who has social media, I go see this. See? Nobody no more than nobody. You might have wear some clothes where more brand than the man they wear him down at town clothes. See? You might can't wear a Alexander McQueen and the brother they can't wear a Alex Quebec. See? We have to remember how to deal with people. We have to make life, take life as it come, but don't rush life. All the way, man and woman, the whole way we attack. This is a life lesson. Remember this, anything we can count, it can finish. And once you have nothing come in and things are go out, anything where you have a go out, I got done. It's just like how you have the whole of your love I give everybody, and you not receive back the love. You not receive back the love, and you just give away and give away and give away. You have to just always remember, so you have to save some back for yourself. Save some back for yourself. Anybody who can help Gully Bap, when me hear, one, me don't wish for Gully Bap there right now, but me can tell you this. Me I go try find out, me I go look back and call back the number there for the pastor man there. And them say more food. And we not talk what we do for people or talk what we can do, because food are the least. Everybody can afford. Everybody can afford like food. Me not have money and I'm rich. Me not rich. But me know me can afford to give Gully Bap some food. Me know me can afford to give him some food. See? All people words always come to pass. We have to be careful. And you see the internet is a place where we build and it to break you. The same internet where boss Gully Bap, at the same internet me I watch a beat him, kill him, because of how him never humble. And member say, him still not humble. Because to how him a cuss him pitney them and I say them wicked. To how him a cuss him pitney them. To how him a cuss him pitney them. See? Well, trophy. Them say him not have no phone. Him don't even have a phone. And him, I think him, they must take out him kidney. Him not a kidney. So the pastor man number Auntie Dana put up. Everybody has said they want help. And Auntie Dana say, she not take no money for Gully Bap. Make pastor do it. So me I go look back for the number. Once you watch the video, you go hear them Auntie Dana advertise the man number. See? But me just say people, we have to be careful. And if you give somebody something, give them it from a good place. Nobody give them to talk back about it. Nobody give them because you just don't feed them. Because yes, people ungrateful. Yeah, killer. See? Member say, you know, we not do this for the internet, you know. Because we know and we can see say Gully Bap sick. And we can see say a last parados in the pan. Gully Bap has struggle. Right now. But me just show no life still life fuck up. See? And here a next thing. Gully Bap go want. We don't know where him live. We don't know where Gully Bap live. We don't know. But we are going to link pastor and pastor go give you something. And tell you what I go on. Now this next thing you know. We have to be careful how we come on the internet. Come vent too. See? A lot of us are looking at attention. That's why we come on this. We come look at attention for people pay will look at mind. Because this is an open place where people are going to bash with, people are going to like with, people are going to beat with, people are going to do everything to it. Social media. See? Me see a youth come on. And the man say, nobody no love him. The man say, nobody no love him, you know. The man say, you him try with people. The man say, him lose him youth, them. The man say, girl dealing him wicked. Family did him wicked. Everybody did him wicked. The man say, I'm tired of life. I go kill myself. The man show we want something we say, when him drink it, him I go vomit and him I go shit until him dead. See, man say, it I go be a painful death. See? And if you look on the man page where the man do that TikTok something there, the people in the comment have beat him, kill him. A few people have said, no do it, whoa, God love you, whoa, and I ball with him and I help him. But if him look on them comment there, all the people him beat him would have dead. See him? He would have dead. Him drink the thing. Him drink the poison. See him drink the poison. But somebody rushed to him here and him still there hospital. See him still there hospital. But me just go for show and say, no matter how life rough or no matter how people treat you like pussy, don't kill yourself, you're an idiot. No kill yourself. And if you don't want to go kill yourself, you don't come out, come tell nobody about it, you go kill yourself. See? I don't advise nobody to kill themselves, but the internet is not a place for you to come and come say certain things, because trust me, there's some wicked people there on the internet. You have good people there on the internet, you know, and you have some dangerous people there on the internet. Carry love it. See, the way them beat the man, no, say, I want to see if I can see that video there, you know. Because I want to show you that video there, for me to know, say, and a joke thing. See, I want to hear what I talk about. Because, to the way how life I go right now. Because I see through the internet is a place where so much beggar depend. So much bigger upon the internet. It come like it's hard for you even see who genuine from who genuine out. All the people upon the internet I go through some whole heap of crosses. I see all the girl when named Kizzy Dan. I see that girl there. I go through some things like she a go through it. It's like she seek validation so much from the same internet. Some of them beat her, kill her, some of them Me no know. But when she crash mackerel car the other day and you're looking at the little girl face, so you can see that she a go through it. See, you can see say she a go through it. Enough people are suffering in silence and not even know. See, enough people, even though they might look like say, yeah man, them happy and them alright and thing and rare, blah blah blah. The internet is a place where it show you, but it show you not look. You not look. You see where one car crash can show you if people value life more than car. One car crash and the girl come out and she say, at least none of us died, you know. Mackerel, none of us died. None of us died. And mackerel ball. Whoa, me care, me work hard. Whoa, I'm ball. So it show you how much people value vanity more than humanity. And them never listen when Jonah Vibe say he that seeks us only vanity and no love for humanity. But no love nobody again. I things people blood clot love. I things people love. People love you when you're popular. And that's why you see enough of the some big all blood clot girl. They on social media seek validation. Some old girl and some old man are worried about what the internet said. Them forgot say them used to live before the internet. Them forgot say them used to survive before the internet. Everybody goes a bam and I worry about the internet. Enough time you have to take off yourself off of the internet, man. And go find back yourself. Find one river go. And when you find one river go, or you find one place where you find your comfort. That when I see it how much time. And I lie. And when I say all, I mean 35, 40, and them age I talk about. Where I follow up the little young girl them. You dey on internet and follow up some little young girl where I come talk about bodo them and rat bat. You can blood clot be 45-year-old and make man a call you rat bat. Eh? You know see a blood clot idiot, you dirty blood clot. Eh? You have to load that to fit them age. Load that to fit them age. You talk about you have some old blood clot girl one at a time. You hear them now? One at a time. Me and the both of them. Me and the both of them one at a time. Rat bat. And me I say, I train them old girl and them old money I run down. Them old girl and them old money. And them training them people are really a run down. Sometimes the little thing them so nice, but for you I speak it into existence. And I thought be a fucker as a old girl and a old boy. Eh? But where the both of them there? Like all me I said that it sound all weird to me. It sound weird, like it sounds so fucking weird to me. Pay a follower left. Remember say one time the nation used to follow the elders them to lead them. Now the nation, the elder them have followed some young girl. Some young girl and some young boy. Where them never know themselves, what them want to do. Where them want to reach, where them want to go. Because them are 17, them are 18, them are 19. Them are them age there. Right? Enough of them. Them youth all talk to them, but don't know in a moment I go look for the both of them, you know. Which both of them? Where mean which both of them? What is both of them? But me understand. I guess people are into speaking.